battle these two. It's King Helios and Brave Valkyrie. Let's go. Yo! Let's see this. Who's gonna win this? By the way, King Helios' chassis is rubber. It can't spin still. Oh, Brave Valkyrie 1-0. By the way, guys, it's raining here in the Philippines, and it fell off. Let me get it. Let's launch it again. Wait, whenever.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Yo, anak from Brave Valkyrie. And big Brave Valkyrie wins again and 1 point. Let's launch it. Wait one minute. Yo! Again, for the win, it's Brave Valkyrie. And if you see my other video, I test spin it. And bye, guys.